Imagine, if you will, a place at the very bottom of our world, a continent so vast and so utterly remote it feels like another planet entirely. This is Antarctica. It is a land of profound silence, broken only by the crack of a distant glacier or the cry of a lone seabird. The air here is cleaner, colder, and crisper than anywhere else on Earth. To stand here is to feel the immense power of nature in its most raw and untamed state. It is a place that humbles you, reminding you of the sheer scale and majesty of our planet, a world painted almost entirely in shades of white and blue. The journey to this frozen kingdom is an adventure in itself, a voyage across the stormiest seas on the globe. But as the first colossal icebergs appear on the horizon, you know you have arrived somewhere truly special. These floating mountains of ice, sculpted by wind and water, are the gatekeepers to a hidden world. They drift with an ancient silent grace, gleaming under a pale Antarctic sun. Antarctica is a continent defined by extremes, the coldest, driest, windiest on Earth. In winter, its heart can plunge toward -90 degrees Celsius. The true artists of Antarctica are the glaciers, dynamic, living rivers of ice. Fed by snows on the high plateau, they flow under their own immense weight, carving valleys as they go. At the coast, they perform a spectacle called calving. With a sound like thunder, titanic faces break away and crash into the sea. Newborn icebergs can rival buildings, even city blocks. Each is a unique sculpture: tabular plates, fantastical arches, vaulting spires. Compressed ice shines a deep, ethereal blue. Algae and ancient sediments paint them green and brown. As they melt, they release fresh water and nutrients, fertilizing the sea. Here blooms the base of life, phytoplankton, feeding krill, the cornerstone of the Antarctic web. Endless snowfields mirror sunlight back to space, helping regulate Earth's temperature. In this harshness, life thrives. Adelie, chinstrap, and gentoo penguins crowd the coasts. Awkward on land, they fly through water with effortless grace. The emperor stands apart, braving the full fury of winter. For months, males cradle a single egg on their feet, fasting in the dark until partners return. Weddell seals carve breathing holes and dive to astonishing depths. Leopard seals, solitary and formidable, hunt the margins. Giant elephant seals battle for mastery along the shores. Below, the ocean's giants roam: humpbacks, minkies, and orcas. A breaching whale, power and grace in one breathtaking arc. From the first explorers to today's researchers, the mission has shifted. Not to conquer, but to learn. Small stations, outposts of humanity, study climate, weather, oceans, and the cosmos. Ice cores hold bubbles of ancient air, a frozen library of our atmosphere. But the world is changing. Ice is melting faster, balance is at risk. This is not a distant problem. It is happening now.